Hi, it's Jamie with 71 Environmental. We help property managers, facilities managers, and building engineers maintain healthy and compliant stormwater systems. So it's May 2018, which means Stormwater TCBMP Maintenance Verification season has officially started here in Southern California. If your property has a stormwater system that requires maintenance, you will soon receive the verification paperwork from the city or county that oversees your compliance. A general rule of thumb, if your property was built in 2003 or later, you should have a stormwater filtration system that requires maintenance. You will need to complete the forms and return by the given deadline, verifying that regular maintenance of your stormwater BMPs has taken place. Though the verification process is essentially the same, each city does things a bit differently, so forms look different and deadlines vary. The most important thing is that you are having your stormwater BMPs serviced on a regular basis so that they are functioning properly. There are 3 steps that you can take to make annual TCBMP maintenance verification a simple process. 1. Make sure your stormwater BMPs have been regularly serviced in the last year. Check your records. Some cities will want the dates and details of service performed in the last year, some even requiring service reports from your stormwater vendor. Frequency of service depends on the type of BMP, but should be enough to keep the BMP functioning properly. Filter media should be replaced as necessary, and if service hasn't taken place now is the time to schedule. 2, schedule any necessary repairs or replacement as soon as possible. If you have been holding off on a repair or install, now is the time to proceed. City inspectors visit properties during the dry season, and they'll note any damages or problems on a deficiency notice, so prevent a deficiency by handling any needed repairs early in the season. 3, complete and return your BMP maintenance verification form to the city by the noted deadline. If you're handling your paperwork yourself, be sure to stick to that deadline on the form. For our clients, we always offer to complete your BMP paperwork at no additional charge, so feel free to send your forms directly to us and we will take care of everything else. If you have any questions or issues, we have helped hundreds of managers satisfy the BMP maintenance requirements on their commercial and residential properties, and we'd be more than happy to do the same for you. For more information, visit us online at 71e.com/compliance.